Hello, just a quick video about a little not drone machine. I've got just a TRS cable that goes nowhere. It is going through that hub and into a JHS Series 3 reverb that's just pegged out, I think. Yeah, and pre-delay is on, but this works either way. That is going to a mixer, just so I have a little volume control. Originally this mixer was just plugged in straight to the speaker, which is right here, but I decided to add the monotron delay, and you can see here, you can kind of arrange this to suit. Oh, that's cool. So I'm not using the LFO because I'm not really, although I could. It's kind of nice. Ooh. Alright. Let's turn on time. Feedback. Should be a little bit. There we go. And I'm just going to turn the filter off so y'all can kind of hear this. So what is neat about a reverb pedal you can do that. I'm going to turn that down. It's a little louder than I wanted it to be. So that's just the reverb and the delay. But, you know, electricity is really neat. So I found that, well, I can get a little bit of a tone from some of these, especially this one. So this is just a screw. And this thing can be on or off, but either way, something about the metal interacting with this little bit of electricity. And it's also neat, so if I pick this up, and if I can still show the camera it, okay, there it is. Yeah. But if it's on the ground, it's grounded, so it's not going to do anything. So that's it. Just kind of a neat little thing. Of course, you can create a little feedback loop and then throw another cable in there and do some fun stuff. But anyway, this part isn't even necessary, because even just with just a normal TRS cable, this will still work great. Now if I turn off the reverb, see, then it's just this normal hum. But with the reverb, it gets all spooky. You can just... That's it.